Today, Saturday, the 11th, August, and we're doing a short break-in drive. Come along with us. What the hell is that? Look out, everyone! There's a madman on the loose! Get him before he gets away! He's driving like a crazy man! He stopped for a breather. Let's sneak up on him and get him. Look out! He's shooting at us! And he's talking like one of them aliens. You know, the UFO type. And 316 are total for today, and that gives us 145 miles total on the Dana 35 break.
If I'm a man, I must be brave.